Hello and welcome to Osaka Famous Spot in Japan. Every Sunday, I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm a professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today, I will talk to you about Amerikamura. Amerikamura or Amemura is a popular area in Shinsaibashi, Osaka. It became known as Amerikamura in the 1970s when many shops started selling American vintage clothes and goods. Today, it's a center of the youth culture with vintage stores, unique fashion shops, cafes, clubs, and live music avenues. It's a famous place for Osaka's street culture. In the center of Amemura, there is a small park called Triangle Park. Many young people and tourists gather here to relax and meet. Around the park, you can find a colorful street art and graffiti making it a popular photo spot. On weekends, there are sometimes fair markets and street performances, adding to the lively atmosphere. Recently, more tourists from other countries visit Amemura. New vegan cafes and international restaurants have opened, and shops selling K-pop and anime goods are also popular. Amemura is easy to access, just a 5-minute walk from Shinsaibashi station on the Osaka Metro Midosuji line. If you want to experience Osaka's youth culture, fashion, music, art, and food all in one place, Amemura is a great spot to visit. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.